Jai Srimannarayana. 40th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Namah Purastat Adha Prushtataste Namostute सर्वत एव सर्वा अनन्तवीर्या अमितविक्रमस्त्वं सर्वं समाप्नोषि ततोऽसि सर्वः। Om. Accept that Sri Krishna Paramatma is the master of all potencies. Accept that Sri Krishna Paramatma is the master of all prowess. Accept that Sri Krishna Paramatma is far superior to all devatas. Accept that Sri Krishna Paramatma is all over, that is why he is Narayana. Keep on taking Narayana Namam and keep on feeling Krishna Paramatma's presence each and every place in this entire creation, and keep bowing your head doing namaskaram to Krishna Paramatma's presence in this entire creation. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall accept that you are the master of all potencies. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall accept that you are the master of all prowess. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall accept that you are far superior to all devatas. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall realize that you are all over this entire creation, that is why you are called as Narayana. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on taking Narayana Namam and keep on feeling your presence each and every place in this entire universe, and keep on doing namaskaram to you from all sides and all directions. Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye vachanam tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam Pravrajantamanupetamapeta Krutyam Dvaipayano Virahakatara Ajuhava Putreti Tanmayataya Taravobhineduhu Tam Sarvabhuta Hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma, सरस्वतीदेवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 192nd day. Sutta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma, who is Mukunda, the one who can confer liberation, moksham to everyone, such Sri Krishna Paramatma gave moksham to Aghasura also. What a surprise! Aghasura is such a huge sinner. He wanted to kill Sri Krishna himself, but he got that moksham which is impossible even for such great enlightened Maharshis, intellectuals also. How is it possible? As and how, even if the object is full of poison, but object is dumped in the fire, that object assumes the form of Agni. Just like that, even though Aghasura is a huge sinner, the moment he touched Sri Krishna Paramatma, all of his sins got totally washed off and he assumed Paramatma's form. He got moksham. So, such Paramatma Sakrit yet Anga Pratima Antarahita Manomayi Bhagavatim Dadau Gatim. Such Paramatma came down in different forms. So even if we just see those forms, or even if it is a Vigraham, if we can keep thinking about that in our mind, definitely that smarana, that remembrance of Paramatma's form will give us the supreme state, supreme abode. And if we can think about Sri Krishna Paramatma's the divine feet always in our mind, Sri Krishna Paramatma, who is Deva Deva, who is supreme, who is an embodiment of Brahmanandam, if we think about, if we can remember Paramatma's Divya Padara Vindas always in our mind, definitely we will attain the supreme abode. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra said, and also saying, Ho Raja, Gopalas now telling the story of Aghasura Vadha to their parents, which has happened 1 year back. Like that, when Sri Sukha Yogindra said, Parikshin Narendra asking, Oh Yogindra, how is it possible that they are now narrating the thing which has happened 1 year back? They are narrating, Gopalakas are telling their parents as if it happened just now. How is it possible? Like that, Parikshin Narendra is asking. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 11th chapter 40th श्लोका नमः पुरस्तादध पृष्ठतस्ते नमोऽस्तु ते सर्वत एव सर्वा अनन्तवीर्यामितविक्रमस्त्वं सर्वं समाप्नोषि ततोऽसि सर्वः नमः पुरस्तादध पृष्ठतस्ते नमोऽस्तु ते सर्वत एव सर्वा अनन्तवीर्यामितविक्रमस्त्वं सर्वं समाप्नोषि ततोऽसि सर्वः श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।